Is your ladyfinger plant under attack by these harmful insects? Are you tired of pests ruining your hard work? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful yet natural solution using neem oil. No chemicals, no harm, just pure organic protection. These red and black bugs are sucking the life out of your plants. They destroy leaves, damage the fruits, and can ruin your entire crop if not controlled in time. Here's what you need to make a simple yet highly effective homemade pesticide. 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure neem oil. A few drops of mild liquid soap. 1 liter of clean water. First, take 1 liter of water in a spray bottle or jug. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of neem oil. The soap helps to mix the oil with water, so add a few drops of liquid soap as an emulsifier. Shake it well until it's fully blended. Now, spray this solution on your ladyfinger plants. Make sure you spray on both sides of the leaves, stems, and especially near the insects. Early morning or late evening is the best time for spraying. Avoid spraying under direct sunlight. This neem oil spray will disrupt the insect's life cycle, suffocate them, and prevent further damage.